Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green fields and thick forests, there lived an old man named Hari. Hari was not a rich man. His small hut had only a few old pots and a wooden bed. But his heart was full of kindness and his face always wore a smile. Every morning, Hari woke up before sunrise and helped his neighbors. He fixed broken fences, carried water for widows, and fed orphan children. Whenever someone asked him how he stayed so happy despite his poverty, Hari would say, "Happiness is not what I have, it is what I share." One day, Hari went deep into the forest to collect firewood. There, hidden under dry leaves, he found an old wooden chest filled with gold coins and sparkling jewels. Hari's heart raced. He dreamed of a warm house, new clothes, and good food. At last, he thought, I can rest and help even more people. But as he touched the treasure, a strong wind blew, the sky darkened, and the gold turned into dry stones and dust. Hari sat under the tree, disappointed but calm. "Riches come and go," he whispered, "but I still have my two hands and my kind heart. I can still be happy." Hari stood up to return home, but just then, heavy rain poured from the sky. The forest path turned to slippery mud, and Hari slipped and hurt his ankle badly. Pain shot through his leg, but he laughed gently. "If my feet can't carry me, my spirit will." He found a strong stick to help him walk, step by step, through the rain and darkness. Hungry, cold, and limping, Hari kept his thoughts bright. He looked up at the storm and said, "Clouds will pass, pain will heal, but my smile stays with me." When he finally reached the village, soaked and shivering, his neighbors ran to help him. They gave him warm soup and a dry blanket. That night, lying on his old wooden bed with his aching foot, Hari felt grateful. Trouble will come again, he thought, but so will good people, good moments, and my own strong heart. From that day on, when people asked him, "Hari, how can I be happy when life is so hard?" he would say, "Storms will come, riches will vanish, health may fail. But if your heart is thankful, your mind is calm, and your hands are ready to help, you will be happy in every situation." Moral of the story: happiness stays with those who stay kind, thankful, and helpful, no matter what life brings. Let's learn from the story. Meaning, a state of peaceful happiness and satisfaction. Example: Hari's contentment did not depend on gold or jewels. 2. He kept selfless. Meaning, putting other people's needs before one's own. Example: his selfless nature made him loved by everyone in the village. 3. He kept fleeting. Meaning, lasting for only a short time. Example: Hari knew that riches were fleeting, but kindness lasts forever. 4. He kept resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example: even with a hurt ankle, Hari's spirit was resilient in the storm. 5. He kept adversity. Meaning, difficult or unpleasant situations. Example: he found peace even in adversity like pain and poverty.